Hi guys, this video is to help people who are having this issue, that the CPU fan speed error detected. So in order to fix this, what you need to do is press F1 on the keyboard and wait for it to load up. And then what you want to do is go to monitor, and where it says CPU fan speed, you want to set that from not applicable to ignore. Ooh, ignore, come on, there you go. And then press F10 to save. And it should fix the problem. Oh, doing something. Hey yo, there we go, fixed. Cool, worked. Well, thank you for watching this short tutorial, little fix, and if you please like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.